Hello everyone, thank you for joining us on Ancient and Modern Weapons. Today we're doing a mystery box unboxing of the Tier 1 Armored Republic AR500 body armor. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so today we're doing a video on a mystery box. It's a Tier 3, as you probably read the title. We're gonna go over how much it costs and figure out what we got. So, let's just go for it. Maybe as big of a surprise as it is for you, as it is for me. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. Don't look at that. Irrelevant information, people. Do not look. Number 2. And ILG. What do you think it means? Okay. Let's go take out the boxes. Okay, that's the light one. The other one's going to be heavy. Oh boy. It is heavy. All right. Gone. Let's do the light box first. ILG. Okay, everybody. Ooh, that's a nice logo. Shoot. Okay. So first off, let's go with the box. AR500. We got a glasses case, maybe iPro. Ooh, let's go. Got some sick iPro. Unless it's just sunglasses, but either way, you can use them as iPro as well. Got blue, white frame, blue lens. Okay, it's pretty good. Move that over. We got AR500. Let's see what this actually is. Cordura, durable, versatile, reliable. It's their holster, their ambidextrous holster. So you can, if you're righty, clips onto the right side of your body, holster's there. If you want to flip it around, you just flip this in, switch the Velcro to the other side, and then switch this as well to the other side, and now it's a left-handed holster. Perfect, okay. Oh yeah, a patch. That's the best part. That's why you buy these things. Patches and stickers. That's your go-to. Okay, you got yourself a tactical belt. Big old bulky sucker. That's good. Definitely gonna be tough and durable. It's a good belt buckle. Okay. Moving on to the next thing. Is this actually the plate carrier? So is that inserts, or is that an actual, moderate, maybe a slim design plate carrier? Oh, either way, I guess you could use it as a slim design, use it to, insert. There's that, and here's the actual plate carrier. Dang. It's nice and thick, looks like it would be good with the sweat because of the fabric. Nice and big. Now we gotta figure out what plates we got. Now for the heavy box. Oh, brother. Again with the nice logo. They spent time and money on these boxes. Okay, so we have, I'm guessing this is a double ammo pouch. Double ammo pouches. Even got a couple, you know, shotgun shell holders to go on that. A couple pistol mag holders. Oh brother, here's the heavy stuff. Okay, so we have first plate, big and heavy. It's a 39 by 9 CR, so 9 by 9 inches. It's type 3, okay. Shelf life of 20 years. Got one more of the same ones. Oh yeah. We got a couple trauma pads, non-ballistic. Okay, I thought these were gonna be the soft armor. These are just, you know, when you get shot, you're gonna get bruised. These are to protect you from bruises. So we have our next thing. So we have our next thing here. Big old plate carrier. Notice that the right side is longer because it's made for right-handed shooters, so you can get your stock on your shoulder while shooting. Oh boy, those are big and hefty. Again, another one of those. And then the trauma pads to go with those. Wow. Well, let's lay it all out. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos drop, and keep an eye out for the giveaway. And remember, we're living the history of tomorrow, so go out there and make history.